Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ZOWIE XL2586X Plus eSport monitor with 600Hz refresh rate. So friends, ZOWIE has announced new eSport gaming monitor featuring the latest fast TN panel for superior refresh speed and DYSE2 technology for quick response time and minimal motion blur. Upgraded from 540 to 600Hz in the monitor is the fastest gaming monitor available, consistently ensuring smooth visual during fast motion and dramatic transition without overclocking. And it also offers game mode via XL setting to save software, the industrial grade bearing the precise height adjustment and solidifying XL Plus series position as the mainstream standard for eSport competitor and exemplifying Jovi's mission is to the lead the FPS field by providing competitive players with top tier equipment and the most seamless in-game experience. So friend, the monitor it comes with latest DYSE2 technology, Jovi's dynamic accuracy mechanism for best-in-class motion clarity and superior overall visual experience. And DYSE2 is a significant upgrade from DYSE and DYSE Plus, now utilizing dual backlight with greater precision control to achieve a high level of motion blur reduction and ghosting minimization together with soft blend light output to facilitate eye adaptation. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.